Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I am going to show you how to create your very own Pinterest account. Make sure to watch until the end of the video. So, without further ado, let's get started. Open your preferred app store and search for the official Pinterest app. Once you find it, click on the install button and let the download complete. After the installation is complete, open the app and you'll be greeted with a beautiful mosaic of images representing various categories like fashion, food, and home decor. Next, you'll be prompted to create an account using either your email address or your phone number. Choose the option that suits you best and enter the required information. Remember to choose a strong and unique password while ensuring your details are secure. Once your account is created, it's time to make it your own. Start by adding a profile picture. Find the saved at the right bottom corner of the screen. There, you will find the option to edit your profile. Tap on it and click on Edit to change your profile picture. Congratulations! Your Pinterest account is ready. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss any of our future videos. Until next time.